Buongiorno. Welcome to the top 6 secrets of Italian cooking. Today, we're diving into the heart of Italian cuisine as we unveil the top 6 secrets to Italian cooking. Ever wondered what makes Italian cooking so irresistible? Well, you're in for a treat. Stick around, because we're uncovering the 6 secrets that will transform your home-cooked meals into Italian masterpieces. Let's get started. The first secret to authentic Italian cooking is all about the ingredients. Italians believe in using the freshest, highest quality ingredients. Imagine biting into a juicy, vine-ripened tomato or smelling fresh basil, just picked from the garden. It's these simple, yet vibrant flavors that form the foundation of Italian dishes. Secret 2 is simplicity. Italian cooking isn't about using 100 ingredients. It's about using a few, but using them well. Take this classic pasta al pomodoro for example. Just tomatoes, basil, garlic, olive oil, and pasta. Yet, when combined, they create a symphony of flavors. Less is more in Italian cuisine. Focus on quality and let the ingredients shine. Secret 3. Patience is a virtue, especially in the kitchen. Italians often slow cook their sauces to allow the flavors to meld together beautifully. This slow and steady approach extracts deep, rich flavors that fast cooking methods just can't achieve. So, take your time. Let your dishes simmer and savor the magic as the flavors develop. Secret 4. Italian cooking is all about passion and love. Cooking isn't just a task, it's an expression of love for family and friends. Every dish is made with care and attention to detail. When you cook with love, it shows in the taste. So, pour your heart into your cooking. Your family and friends will taste the difference. Secret 5. The art of pairing. Italians are masters at pairing food with the perfect wine. A well-chosen wine can elevate a meal, balancing flavors and enhancing the dining experience. Experiment with different pairings and discover combinations that delight your palate. Secret 6. Respect tradition but don't be afraid to experiment. Italian cuisine is rooted in tradition, but it also embraces innovation. Try adding your own twist to classic recipes and make them your own. Cooking is an adventure. Enjoy the journey and let your creativity flourish. And there you have it. The top 6 secrets to mastering Italian cooking. Remember, it's all about fresh ingredients, simplicity, patience, passion, pairing and a dash of creativity. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit pizzapartiesofamerica.com for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Arrivederci. See you next time at pizzapartiesofamerica.com.